Hello guys, it's Pino here. In this video I'm going to teach you the basics of remote spying and the text explorer. So yeah, we're going to exploit this game. It's called Bubblegum Simulator. I think you know it because it's pretty popular. So let's make an auto farm and an auto sell for it. And also I am going to be using Visual Studio Code to create my scripts. And also this is going to be a developing series, and throughout it I am going to be using Synapse, which is the best executor on the market. It's only $20, so I would highly suggest buying it if you're serious about programming. But yeah, let's get into it. Let's turn off the music. The Bubblegum Simulator loading screen is really fucked up. I don't know if it's just for me, but yeah. Okay, let's wait for everything to load. Okay, now everything is loaded in. So let's open Script Hub and execute Remote Spy. Press execute and then close. Or if you have a Remote Spy script. And as you can see, I blew a bubble here. So now Remote Spy picked this up in, yeah, you can see it here. From your Remote Spy picked it up, so from script.parent.players.test.player.ui screen.ui client script. And the path of it is replicated storage.network remote event. This is the only thing that we are interested in for the moment. We are also interested in the argument, but not right now. So let's write local event. Local is creating a variable, so we're creating a variable that we can use later on, so we don't have to write the whole thing twice or 3 times. Yeah. So local event equals game.replicated storage dot and then network remote event. So network remote event, like this. And then event fire server, and then with the argument of blow bubble. So bubble. So let's see if this works. Oh, I think I actually need to sell before I can do anything. Let's sell. Okay, so now let's execute. Yeah, and we blew bubbles. So let's say that let's put the underscore g dot on equals true. So a g value, we're basically making another variable, but this variable, if it has a g underscore g dot on, for example, equals true, then it's a universal value. You can access this from any script. So if I would have if I open a new script and write false like this, then the script will pause even though I'm not in that specific script. So even if I'm not in this script. That was a really long sentence and I'm sorry. So let's do while underscore g dot on equals true. This is what's known as a while loop. The while loops will basically repeat this as long as g.on equals true. So this will go on forever if this is not set to false. And also let's set a wait, because otherwise, if we don't have a wait, then it will continue forever and forever and forever and forever. Not forever and forever, that was not what I meant to say. It will do infinite. It will execute this infinite times every 0.0000001 seconds. So the game will basically crash. So let's just put a little interval. But yeah, so before we execute this, let's make an auto sell. Okay, so let's let's execute dark dex or dex explorer. It doesn't matter which dex you have. I'm going to be using dark dex, the Synapse version. Doesn't it want to load in? Let's see. I've noticed that the script hub for Synapse is bugging for me today. I don't know why. Let's execute it again. Oh yeah, no. Okay, so they're dark dicks. Let's go into players. So what we want to access is this box right here. And this is my current character. You can add it if you want to. I'm not active on this account. So let's go into player UI, because every UI class is in player UI, because otherwise it will be invisible. And it's probably not in chat, because chat is the chat. And surface UIs, these are surface. I am guessing that these are this three, or yeah, I'm guessing that the surface UIs is this one and this one and this one. So then screen UI is where it is in. And yes, it is. So in stats frame. So let's write down here. Oh wait, we actually did some changes in the Synapse. So let's put it here. So let's write another variable up here. So set that to local, and then let's say bubbles equals, and then game. Everything inside of everything that you can see and everything that you can interact with and everything, every script and every UI and stuff is in the folder game. You cannot see game in the Explorer, but yeah, it's there. So you want to write game dot players, or you can do game colon get service. Oh fuck. Service in parentheses players, and then punct. Sorry, I started I can't talk. I started speaking Swedish there. Local player. So yeah, this just makes sure that we have the correct players. So dot, and then player UI, because yeah, everything that you can see is inside of player UI, every UI class. So then dot screen UI. I should probably make this a bit bigger. Screen UI dot stats frame. And then I am guessing that it's bubbles, but we can make sure by going to here, the text label, and text. Yeah, it's 0/170. Okay, so let's write dot bubbles. No, bubble actually. Yeah, bubble. Dot amount. Okay, so now let's go here and write local. So this variable we want inside of the while true do loop, because we want this to update all the time, so we can get the accurate data. Because if we would put it in here, it will only update once, so it would be 0/170, and even if we click, it will, the value of it will still be set to 0/70. I don't know if you understand, but yeah, basically. So if yeah, we're checking we want this variable to update every time, all the time. So if any changes happens here, it will also change here. So local bubble amount, let's call it that, equals string dot split. So we want to split this string. Yeah, we want to split. It's hard to explain, but we want to split this, like get two variables out of it. So yeah, string dot split in parentheses bubble dot text comma slash. We want to split it at a slash. So this, the 0 will be one value and the 170 will be another value. So let's do if bubble amount, wait, somebody's calling me, bubble amount, and then these weird square brackets, I don't know what they're called, but yeah, if bubble amount 1 equals bubble amount 2. So if this object is the same as this one, then we want to do this. Then end. So if bubble amount 1, so this is bubble amount 1, the 0, is the same as bubble amount 2, which is 170, then we will do this. So yeah, now we need to get the when self, so let's do this and then press cell. Okay, and then here this is what we're going to use, and let's put it like this. Let's make this a bit smaller. Okay, so this it's the same event actually as the other one, so key is right. Event colon fire server in parentheses teleport, is that right? Teleport, yes, and then comma cell, and then let's wait 1 so it doesn't sell immediately after. So this should be it actually. Let's try this out. Why doesn't it sell? What is happening here? Yes, let's rejoin the game actually. There was 2 remote events, but yeah, let's fuck. Yeah, this game takes a really long time to load into. I don't know why, but it's really fucking annoying. Yeah, let's get script tab opened and remotes spy. Oh no, this time this actually worked. Why do they turn on the audio automatically? It's really annoying. Okay, so execute. Let's F9. Okay, there we have the final one. So let's just go into Synapse. I don't know. Yeah, I don't want to go into Visual Studio Code. But anyways, we can see that it's the same event as the other ones have been using. So event colon fire server in parentheses cell bubble. So yeah, like that, and then comma cell, and let's put a weight 0.1. Let's see if this works. Why doesn't it sell? I think this wait interval. Wait. I don't know if this wait is too long. Let's put it to 0.5. And also do underscore g dot. Fuck. Wait. This is really annoying. Yeah. Underscore g dot on equals false. So now it stopped all of the loops, but now we will have to make a on 2. So while on 2 equals true, let's try this out. There isn't any errors. Well, now I'm guessing that it's kind of working. It's a bit bugged. Yeah, it's a not a bit bugged, it's actually fucking sucks, but I guess it works. Oh, fuck. Let's put it on 3. And why we have to change this variable is because if we start this again, the other ones will also start. Yeah, I'm thinking, yeah, this works, kind of works. Yeah, this kind of works. But this is a simple programming tutorial, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video, hopefully. And yeah, goodbye.